Hi, welcome back to Read Aloud EDU. We have a fun book, a special book called Mommy Time by Monique James Duncan, illustrated by Ebony Glenn. Do you like Mommy Time? I know I loved Mommy Time, and I still do. Mommy Time. Mommy Time looks different every day. We always have something fun to do with our mamas. Wake up, sun's up, it's morning time, and we just love our mommy time. Wake up. Oh, let's find out about their day. She drags us out of bedtime, then it's comb our bushy hair time. Dressing time. Put those clothes on. Breakfast time. Pack up lunch, a tasty munch, and off sister goes to school time. Bye, sister. Off she goes to school. What will they do next? Come in, join in. It's sing-along time. And I just love my mommy time. She claps my hands in hers time. Then conga drums, shuck shuck time. That looks like so much fun. Dancing time. Gleeful time. Big smiles. Blocks in a row. We have to go? Please. Let's stay for longer time. It's time to go. Put the blocks away. Can't stop, won't stop. It's our time, and I just love my mommy time. She wheels me through the market time. Look at all the vegetables in the different colors. He's having fun. Uh-oh, there goes the carrots. Then it's swings for fun at the playground time. Laughing time. They're laughing. Friendship time. They're making friends. Chit chat with you. Gaga goo goo. Bye bye. See you tomorrow time. Home, home. Sweet home. It's midday time. And I just love my mommy time. She hurries with the cleanup time. Me, help, it's so exhausting time. Sweeping time, laundry time. Put down to nap. Give a snack. It's stinky diaper changing time. P.U. Quick now, fast now, it's afternoon time, and I just love my mommy time. It's pick sister up from school time. There she is. Then off to violin time. Or library time. Or playdate time. Or dentist too. So much to do. Be sure we're right on time. She's at the dentist. Calm stroll, fun stroll. It's go home time. And sister just loves her mommy time. Look. Mommy asks about her daytime, her friends, her dreams. They talk time. Kickball time. Do you like playing with balls? Leaves fall time. They're playing in the leaves. Love in her eyes, care in her smiles, tender, precious moments time. Slow down, Wind down, it's evening time, and we just love our mommy time. She helps with any homework time. Then it's eat green beans and chicken stew time. Yummy! Then it's bath time. Bubble bath. Story time. You know I love story time. Feel her tickles, kiss her dimples. They're getting mommy cuddles during mommy time. Yawn. We love our mommy time. What a nice day. And that's the end. What are some of the favorite things you love to do with your mommy? Thank you for reading. I will see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.